What we have done here is that we have mounted our universal spare wheel. What makes this wheel extremely unique is that it's a universal wheel which fits multiple models. There's two variations. There's a 4 and 5 hole, and there's a 5 and a 6 hole version. The 4 and 5 hole version is primarily for the European manufacturers and Japanese, where the 5 and 6 is predominantly used in the United States. This wheel has two functions, right? It both has the function where it can be used as a spare wheel, like you're seeing here. But secondly, it also has the function where if you remove the bolts that surrounds the inner hub itself, it has a spinning function. This spinning function allows the wheel to act independently from the axle of the car itself. This wheel is extremely affordable. It's universally adopted across different manufacturers. It allows you to drive the car even with the spare wheel mounted on the car itself up to 8 kilometers per hour at both concrete floors, gravels, and other various terrains. The wheel itself really comes to benefit when we're referring to the wheel repair process, because the most expensive part of the whole process is having the car hanging on a lift where the lift can't be utilized for anything else. By having a universal wheel like this, that means that you can take off the original wheel, you can mount the universal wheel, you can drive the car outside while you repair the wheel itself. That frees up space in the workshop, on the lift, and that means that you have a better process. Secondly, we see a lot of customers where there is mobile or static locations that they use the wheel to borrow out to different clientele, such as trade customers and B2B customers. That means that the repair process is not in a hurry because they have the car hanging on the lift, but the car is actually sitting nicely on the driveway or outside where it doesn't take up available space. The wheel itself can be found on wheelrestore.com for more information.